Today we'll cover topic of logging into Docker and build image and pushing in GitHub Action. My name is Sachin Choube. Let's continue the session today. So what we are going to do is log into Docker, and second is build and push image in Docker. So let's go to our session. So if you see, what we have already done is even in the previous session, what I have done is we have already checked out our repository, okay, and we have set up the node.js out here. At the same time, we have also created a Docker file. So what this Docker file does is, first we are taking a node 18 version, Alpine 3.17 version out there. We are creating a working directory of /user/app. We are copying the file package.json, okay, and package -lock.json file into this, running npm install. So what it exactly does is it's create all the module, then copying all the files which is generated previously from here to that specific location, and once that is there, we are exposing port 3000 and we are starting npm start. Okay, so let's start doing it. So first we'll say into Docker, and we'll use so what I have done is I have already written this part of code. So as you know, in previous actions, so these are from GitHub marketplace. Okay, so what we are doing is we are taking the Docker section and login action out there. We are providing our username and password. Once this is done, okay, next action is, so that should do that. So as per our previous session, we have, so what we are exactly now doing is we have created let's go there. To a repository, so we have created password and we have created username out here, and we are passing this value in where and password. So that will lock in our action in Docker. Next is build the image, build and push the image. We will use Docker / you'll use this image. Okay, so what we are doing is, in the current context, okay, in the root, search for Docker file, which is how Docker start building the image. We says push is to be true, and tag we are giving our username and GitHub shop. We can give anything as per your requirement, and we are giving the project name as web. Okay, once this is done, I'll push Docker and pushing our file, and once that is done, we'll come to the action Docker image. So what is happening in the background? Okay, first we are checking out the repository, then we are building the Node.js project, then we are installing the dependencies, then we are logging in the Docker, login succeeded, then we are building the image. Okay, build image is done, then we are pushing the image. Okay, it's done. It took 4 seconds, and this is the image ID digestion, and post that we will clean up. Okay, so let's go to Docker. So last 1 minute before it is pushed. This is as we have not provided the image out there. Okay, so we can fill it as per our requirement. So just completed both the path of Docker logging Docker and build and push our image out there. Thank you.